Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about my summer curly hair routine. As you can tell from the title of this video, we are going to talk about all of the steps from the nasty dirty hair to getting in the shower, washing that bitch, putting all the product in, to the final product. Without further ado, let's just jump into the video. So jumping right in, the day I wash my hairs, the days I wash my hairs, the days I wash my hair. Why is that not coming out right? The day I wash my hair, the days that I wash my hair, that is always the first thing that I do when I get in the shower. Step number one, the first thing that I always do is make sure that my entire head is soaking wet. And when I do this, I don't use super hot, like steaming hot shower like, you know, we normally do for the rest of our body because we trying to be a boiled fucking crab. We want to use warm water. Like, I use hot water sometimes, but you shouldn't do that. Use warm water, lukewarm water. And for those of you who have low porosity hair, it just might take you a little bit more time to like get your whole head and like inside soaking wet. My boyfriend has low porosity hair. That just basically means that your cuticles on your hair are really tight, and it just makes it harder for water and product to just like soak in. So it just like takes a little bit more time to get it wet. Personally, I sweat so much, and because it is so hot in Southern California right now, like the buildup, the dirt, the nastiness in my hair is like to an extreme. What did I just say? To an extreme. Normally during the colder months, I feel like I can get away with just using like a conditioning cleansing conditioner, whatever it's called. But like right now, no, girl, you gotta use a shampoo. Which leads me to step number two. So like I said, I really need something to like cleanse my hair really well. And for that, I'll use the Head and Shoulders Dandruff Shampoo plus conditioner. Oh shit, this is a shampoo plus conditioner. Oh my god, my cat, she's like digging out my socks. I will go in with this as my shampoo because I feel like it just gets really into my scalp and like it cleanses it really well. I've used this on and off for the like many years. I don't use it when I don't need it, but when I do need it, I use it. Like right now. Before I started using the shampoo, my head would be like super itchy, super dry, flaky. Once I was like, I think I need to use my Head and Shoulders again, I started using it, and then like my head's not itchy, less flaking. So when I shampoo my hair, I like to make sure I use the pads of my fingers, and I like to make sure I really scrub my scalp, like not like with my nails or anything or like scratching it, but like using my finger pads and like using a lot of pressure and like really getting in there. The lady that I get my haircut from like washed my hair one time, and she like did it, and I was like, yo, is this how I need to be washing my hair? Like right after that's done, I'll rinse out my hair again with lukewarm water or whatever water that I'm using at the moment. Try to use warm water. If you don't, whatever, that's your hair, do whatever you want. I'm just suggesting you use lukewarm water. Which leads me to step number two, which is conditioning. And for that, I use the Diva Curl One Condition Decadence Ultra Moisturizing Milk Conditioner. 100% sulfate free, sulfate, paraben, silicone free. I don't know if my shampoo is all of that. I'm pretty sure it's not, but you know what? It's okay. So normally I use a lot of Diva Curl products, and honestly they're like really good. I'm using this one for conditioning right now because it's like honestly the only conditioner I have. I like to use a good amount, and I like to start from my ends and to just kind of like spread it everywhere. I really like to make sure I massage it in like really well with my fingers, making sure it gets to every single one of the strands, making sure that's all shit is all conditioned, you know. So that can lead me to step number four, which is detangling. I always like to use a wide tooth comb to avoid breakage, and I always like to start from the ends of my hair and then work my way up. I'll rinse my hair out right after I finish detangling, so that can lead me to step number 5, which is a deep conditioner or a mask. I'm so sorry that you can't see it in the video, but I am using this Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Shine Hair Mask for thick curly hair. I really like to use a hair mask because I feel like it smells good. I feel like it honestly helps define my curls, and you know, like it says, it helps moisturize and shit, because like it's summer and my hair is dry as fuck. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is obviously not the same hair that I had from that video, that clip that I keep showing, but it is from the same wash that I took that clip 3 days ago. So this is what my hair looks like after it's been slept in, gone to the gym, refreshed twice. Yeah, I mean, it is kind of not the cutest, but I mean she's still cute. Let's be real, she's still cute. So I like to use a mask every single time I go in the shower. I typically just use that one because it's already in the shower. I like to use a good amount, which before when I had longer hair I wouldn't, because I'd be all skimpy and not use a lot of product, because I don't want to waste my money trying to buy all this shit all the time, because I had long hair and I would just have to use more product. The longer your hair, the more products you have to use, right? So I honestly love that I have really short hair right now, and that I can just use product and be like, bitch, I still got so much more, because my hair is short, so I don't have to use as much product every single time that I wash my hair. The next step in my routine is that I use the Vanity Planet scalp massager. I use it when my hair still has the hair mask in it. I feel like it really just I don't know, feels good on my scalp, honestly. I don't know if it does anything. It says it's supposed to promote hair growth or stimulate hair growth and help with dandruff and stuff like that, but I mean, I use it almost every time I wash my hair. It just depends if I feel like it. I've had that one for, honestly, I don't even know, 4 years, and I swear the same battery has been in that shit since I got it. So she's going strong, she's pulling through. Honestly, my Vanity Planet scalp massager looks kind of disgusting. I think it has mold and shit in it, but I'm still use it. After I finish the scalp massager, I will leave the mask in for the rest of my shower and not rinse it out until the very, very end. And when I do this, when it's time to rinse out your hair, try to use as cold water as possible to make sure that you close the cuticles at the end. So after I rinse my hair, I always use a microfiber towel to dry my hair. I don't ever like to use a regular towel, because that shit will give you frizz. So when it comes to styling, the first thing that I always go in with is an oil, and so I use the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil, a revitalizing multi-purpose oil for hair, body, bath, nails, hair, bath, nails, and body. I really like this one. It's only $2. It's less than $3 for sure at Target or Walmart. It lasts a really long time. I also use it for massages. Babe, can you give me a massage on my back? Okay, go get the oil. This is either my second or third bottle. For sure my second, maybe my second, but it's possibly my third bottle of this, and it's bloop. I use this almost every single day whenever I'm even refreshing my hair and I feel like it's a little bit dry. That's what I put in here. I will use this. Definitely smells it gives me black hair vibes. It smells like a black person, that's for sure. To me, this is what it smells like. It smells like what I always have smelled like my entire life. Now, when I put the oil in my hair, I like to make sure that it does get to my roots and I do like to make sure it kind of just gets everywhere. So I will kind of like section my hair sometimes, open it up so I can get the oil inside like the top of my hair. And I see cat hair in my hair. As I'm putting products into my hair, I do like to make sure I do spray some water in it to make sure it is wet and there's moisture and stuff. After I use the microfiber towel, it does like get my hair a little bit dry. Sometimes I won't add more water if I'm like lazy, but if I'm like really trying to do my hair, I will definitely make sure I get a spray bottle. If I'm doing it over the sink, that my hair is pretty wet when I add my next products in. The next thing that I do after re-wetting my hair is I will go in with like a leave-in conditioner, and for that one I use the Maui Moisture Curl Quench plus Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie for thick curly hair. Personally, I really like this. I think it could be a little bit too thick and like heavy for my hair, but my boyfriend really likes it. We just repurchased it like today actually, because there's like none in here, but I probably am going to try out a new leave-in conditioner soon, just because I feel like this one might be a little bit too heavy for my hair. I mean, I still like it, but it might be a little bit too heavy for my hair. What I like to do with this product is I like to get a good amount on my hand and just like rake it through my entire head, making sure that I get the crown, because this is the part of my hair that always gets super dry. If this is step number 9, I kind of forgot, kind of lost track. The next thing I will do is I will put in this curly curl jello from Talia Curls Waves Naturals. Smooths, conditions, and defines curls. Stop frizz, no buildup, add shine, no flaking. I actually have no idea where this came from. My boyfriend actually, like, it was his, and like he just like, oh my god, you better not knock anything over, little girl, I'm gonna be so mad at you. I actually have no idea where he got this, but if I can find it, I will definitely leave a link down below. I really like the way it like helps my curls like stay in place. It kind of reminds me of jello, but like it doesn't leave my hair like crunchy or anything. And when I use that product, I will kind of just use a lot, and I will just kind of like rake it through my hair. The next thing that I do is I'll take a brush and I will just make sure that all of the product in my hair is distributed and spread out really evenly. I'll make sure it's all spread out through the back. Normally there will be some product that does come off on the brush because there is so much product in my hair, which is gonna lead me to the next step. Step number 3, 13, shit, 3. That is gonna lead me to the next step. Step number 12. I'm gonna take the microfiber towel that I was using earlier to dry my hair to now scrunch out the extra product into my hair. That is just gonna make sure that my hair isn't weighed down so much with all the extra product that doesn't exactly need to be in my hair. And then after that, you're pretty much done. You can either let your hair air dry, or you can diffuse it depending on like if I got somewhere to go or if I'm about to go to sleep. Like if I'm about to go to sleep, I gotta diffuse my hair because I'm not gonna go to sleep with my hair dry. That's just not cool. Like I'm not that kind of person. If you do have time throughout your day, and if you don't mind your hair being wet, then you could be done, sis. You could be done. There you have it, guys. That is my summer curly hair routine, starting from the nasty wash to the flawless curls. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed, please comment down below your guys' summer curly hair must-haves, because I might check it out, because I do need some new products. I just want to try some new stuff out. I know I've been gone for a very long time, guys. Thanks for being so patient with me. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. I'm gonna try to be posting a lot more videos. Anyways, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye. 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 I hope you guys are excited that I'm back. I'm excited. Is my makeup like even? It's 3:15 in the morning.